Today is Monday, June 14th, 2021. We will present the recent update for Starnames. So first of all, here's the plan that we want to pursue. First, we're going to talk about recent highlights and news, as you may have heard many things recently about milestone and achievement. Next, we're going to talk about new sales support for Starnames. Then we're going to talk about funds and foundation, NGOs, which become real use case for the Starname. And finally, we will give you a vision of a decentralized business. Notice there was a brand refresh that has started. We have a new Starname logo, new colors. To work with that, we're putting together our new web to be launched soon. So the idea behind that is really to pursue the move from communication centered on technique toward the communication for mass communication, where the Starname can be used by all individuals to manage their various values. We therefore engage our communication to Instagram, Facebook, and more traditional media. That's the idea. And to allow as many people as possible to get a Starname. Very important milestone regarding our technology, the migration to Stargate on Cosmos. So last Friday we announced that we were ready to launch the tech, and just so that you know, IBC testnet transfer to the Cosmos hub and back were successful. We are getting ready and closer to our new economic model, to IBC and to Gravity, which is for those of you who know, it's a decentralized exchange, and it would be specific to a Cosmos project. So wanted to talk about the new support for the company. In terms of sales, we are announcing the launch of a new venture which will operate under the name of Starname Business. So why new entity? Over the past months, developing the Starname, we've had the opportunity to refine our business model, and the important demand coming from companies and corporations for the Starname is rising. So these companies want to use the Starname for their blockchain project, and we are starting this new company to help professionals to get into this industry using the Starname. Today we are going to describe two interesting use cases for the Starname. One is used for foundations, and the other one is used for professionals. I wonder how a foundation can manage its fundraising with the use of the Starname. So the use of the Starname is very interesting for foundation because it allows the foundation to have a simple name to be able to collect in any cryptocurrency. It could be Ethereum, it could be BTC, it could be the currency of its choice. So we must remember that the use of crypto, and specifically for foundations where it's not their core industry, it remains complicated, especially with the use of value addresses. Thus, the Starname makes it easier to collect donation by offering a single name to the foundation for all cryptos. We will announce important partnership with foundations within the next 2 weeks. The second thing I wanted to talk about is the use of the Starname for fund, especially for crypto funds. Today, as we can see, there's many different initiatives. Some are very advanced. There are new funds, especially in Europe now. It's accelerating, and we also believe that many companies will have to handle crypto assets in the future. So for a fund and to manage crypto, the use of the Starname comes with the need to identify different addresses or different type of addresses. For example, addresses for customer, addresses for management, for accounting, then addresses for different cryptocurrency, addresses for NFTs, and addresses for different kinds of value. With the Starname and the unique property of this feature separating the sending entity from the address. It makes it possible to distinguish between different addresses with different names or different, let's call them subdomains. We will therefore be announcing important partnership with funds as well. The idea is really to help funds acquiring their star name and allocating the use of sub-addresses. Let's say, for example, my address is myfund, and then I can create one addresses which is accounting star myfund, management star myfund. It really brings us this idea of decentralized business, which is very important to us. We believe that the decentralized finance is first step, but the whole economy is gonna come with the management of assets, of NFTs, and it's just the beginning. And we are going to be a very important part of decentralized business.